How to enhance pictures in 2023 for free. So I'm going to show you an easy and free way of enhancing your pictures. So for example, if you have I've downloaded these two pictures from the internet and you can see it's kind of blurry. So it's this one. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the link in the description, replicate.com, Tencent arc /FVPAN, click on enter. So this is a free way of being able to do that. So this one is a free tool to use, but you have to have a GitHub account. You can see when you drag, it doesn't show. So you have to sign in with your GitHub account. So I'm gonna sign in, So once you have signed in, you can now drag in the pictures. So for example, you're gonna start with this one. You can see it has shrunk to the original size. So the versions, you have to use the latest version. The scale depends on how much you want it to. So like I think I usually use 2. 2 is great. So if you click on submit, this is going to be enhanced. You can see it has been enhanced. It doesn't really do that great of a job, but it does help in enhancing a picture. So it helps if the original picture is not as blurry as others. So let's try it. This is a very clear image. So you can just pick this, drag it here, change the scale to 2 and click on submit. It does fairly well. It's gonna be a really high. See, so different. You compare it, so much better. Like it's So that's a free way of enhancing your pictures. Like and subscribe.